Many people say it takes 1 to 3 years to truly understand network marketing with their hearts, not just their heads. Things that we understand in our heads shouldn't only come down to our hearts, it should come down to our hands and feet. Hello, I'm Imperial Master Hye-Jeong Lee. How is life treating you these days? How is your business? I am going through many things myself in this COVID-19 age. I have met many people in the meantime. I have also met many partners and people who wanted to get to know Atomy in the field. Today, I'd like to talk about the various meetings that I've had, the stories and concerns I've heard and shared in that process. The question I ask the most these days is, are you satisfied with your current income? Since there are many different thoughts among many different people who have lived in different environments, many conflicts happen. But what we must not forget is that we're here to make money. Our income is our reality, and that becomes our pride. The question is, however, where is our income located? When I was a beginner, a royal master, a crown master, and even as an imperial master now, there is one thing on my mind. Where is the money, and where is it heading now? I believe it's in the field. During this 1.5-year process of coming through the offline to online era, it seems like a lot of people have lost their bearings. There are too many online meetings. Some people just keep reading books. And some others are doing a lot of online meetings that have strayed far from the business. Let me be clear to you as an imperial master. There is no money online. There are no sales online. All of our income comes from the field. Going into the field to meet people, talking about the products, the compensation plan, the company's vision, and the chairman's dreams. Only through doing this can you learn. You shouldn't get distant from the field, as everything is there. However, since we've been forced so far from the field, obviously it's gotten hard to maintain our masterships. What pains me the most is the fact that we all forgot about Atomy's compensation plan. This might be too obvious, but in the Atomy compensation plan, there is the general commission and the mastership bonus. But why are people just getting the general commission these days? The mastership bonus definitely exists. What if I only got the general commission as an imperial master? Then I'm also nothing special. Some people say it's difficult to maintain their masterships because of COVID-19, but some others are rather more successful with COVID-19 having their backs. They succeeded because of MBO. I heard about it when I first attended the success seminar. When the chairman lectured in person, he mentioned the MBO quite a lot. Management by objectives. Just setting an objective doesn't make it happen. An objective must be clearly managed. Ask all the imperial masters to set their objectives and achieve them. Ask them how much effort it took, how many people they met, and how much they got rejected. But if you just do nothing out of the fear of rejection and just keep having online meetings, your objectives will never be achieved. You must manage your objectives. If you aim to be a Sharon Rose master, there is definitely more than one objective in that goal. In order to get the mastership bonus in the first and second half, you have to manage 24 objectives. Also, once the objective is set, you need to set daily goals. How many people you'll meet, how many product PVs you'll raise. And when those PVs don't get raised, how many more people you will have to meet. There must be daily objectives like these. If you don't accumulate this work for 2 weeks, you will never be able to maintain your mastership. The objective management the chairman talked about is setting goals clearly, splitting them up precisely every single day, and putting them into action every day. Managing the objectives precisely is the only way to achieve your objectives and mastership and to increase your income. This management applies to you. When you are an agent, a sales master, a diamond master, a Sharon Rose master, or an Imperial master, the process is crucial and it should never stop. Regardless of your mastership, we all have to be in the field. If you leave out any part of that process, achieving Imperial Master will gradually drift further away. The learning in the field without doing is meaningless. The doing we do with our hands, feet, and words in the field becomes our learning. Learning without doing is meaningless. Learning is made from doing. This is all for what I have to tell you today. Thank you.